Shiva's presence felt everywhere. Moonlight crowns his flowing hair in the rhythm of the cosmos fair. Shivoham, I chant his name through the fire, through the flame. Shivoham, I feel his might in his dance, the eternal light. Mount Kailash stands tall and free, witness to his divinity. Serpent coils, the time does bend, in his gaze beginnings end. Shivoham, I chant his name through the fire, through the flame. Shivoham, I feel his might in his dance, the eternal light. Mount Kailash stands tall and free, witness to his divinity. Serpent coils, the time does bend, in his gaze beginnings end. Shivoham, I chant his name through the fire, through the flame. Shivoham, I feel his might in his dance, the eternal light. Namaru beats, the world aligns, cosmic tales in every sign. Third eye blazes, truth unfolds, ancient stories forever told. Om Namah Shivaya in my heart, from the whole we're never apart. Ash smeared, he walks untamed, every soul by him reclaimed. Shivoham, I chant his name through the fire, through the flame. Shivoham, I feel his might in his dance, the eternal light. Mount Kailash stands tall and free, witness to his divinity. Serpent coils, the time does bend, in his gaze beginnings end.